Hi, thank you for stopping by my today's review. Today I'll be reviewing a product that is called Midas Touch. I will be doing this review quickly because I'm just coming back from job and I don't want you to miss this opportunity because the product will be launching in few minutes time. So I just want to do this now so you can quickly grab your product. I remember my humble self, Festus from C7 Online Marketing Masters, a product reviewer and an affiliate marketer. So here is the time before this product goes into launching, and we need to grab this product now. You have a very good chance of getting it at a lower price if you buy it now immediately after this video. So give me a thumbs up if you think you like this, the fact that I'm showing you this. Give me a thumbs up and a thumbs up for this. Thank you very much. So let me quickly go to our bonuses. We have put in place a lot of bonuses for this product. Mind you, this product, Midas Touch, is a product that will help you to make a profit from online marketing, even as an affiliate marketer or online marketer, any kind of things you are doing online. This product will help you to make profit from it. It's not a get rich quick scheme. Is very good for new beginners, and it helps you in your warrior plus. It has a lot of all done for you stores training system that will help you to make profits from your online marketing. So, and it's not like you're paying for any software or something like that. So this is the price. The price here, the front end price for Midas Touch is $12.95. It's a brand new training that you need to obtain. You don't need to miss this, and you have your other options if you want to upgrade to 37 is for advanced training, and then you have OTO2 67, the sell license bundle, and so on and so forth. So we have put in place wonderful bonuses that will help you to get the best from this product. One of our bonuses is also a tutorial that will help you to make money from YouTube using Midas Touch, and we have others as well that will help you to make money from Midas Touch. And we have from Facebook as well that can help you with Facebook ads so that you can be able to have everything you need with Midas Touch, and then get the training on Facebook, and then be able to maximize your profit. And then have bonus number 4, underground bonuses that includes 10 secrets of online marketing and things like that you need to get. And of course, we have the vendors bonuses that you need to grab here. We got exclusive from Bill and Johnny, the people that has putting up the Midas Touch for you. So these are our bonuses from Festus and Chris, C7 Online Marketing Masters. Let me quickly go to the members area and show you a little bit of how this works. Now, if you buy this product, you'll be getting something like this in the members area. You'll be getting your overview, business overview, biggest challenges. You'll be getting training on this. They are putting into one place lots of trainings that will help you to profit from online marketing, irrespective of if you are doing e-marketing, affiliate marketing, or any kind of online marketing, so that you always profit from it. They have the overview, they have their score buildings here. They have how you can get your power link, how you can get your conversion booster, how you can build your list. They have a lot of case studies here. How he built brand new profile, how you can build a brand new profile in WordPress, and it's good for new beginners as well. So new beginners, you can be able to get all this. And then Midas Touch paid traffic. This one is optional. How you can train on paid traffic. You know, paid traffic is like paying for your advert. So these are the things they have putting in place. A lot of good tutorials they are putting in place for you. So I'm sorry I'm rushing this this review because I don't want you to miss the opportunity of getting of buying this product at a reduced price. So this video, I will be loading up this video, and please like, give me thumbs up for showing you this members area, and I'll be leaving a link below this video that I would like you to go to that link, affiliate link, and purchase this through our link. So you will be getting our bonuses as well, and then you get a complete package for this bonus, from a complete package from our bonus, and a complete package for this products. Okay, please don't miss it. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's very important. Okay, thank you very much, and take care.